Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is India Unboxing here, and today we are doing the camera test of this device, Oneplus X. These are the video and audio sample which is being recorded using the Oneplus X itself. We have attached our device to our super stable monopod. That was a fixed focus. Near one. The slow motion video test. Those were just our video samples. Now I'm gonna click some pics using the different modes of camera. So that was it for the camera session. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.